first order of the day is going to be a really bad order. This is going across the river. Taco Bell, $16, going like 9 miles. You know, I accepted this order, half expecting the restaurant to be closed, or I guess hoping it would be, but I see the lights on and I think I see someone moving around inside. Why couldn't you just let me collect my half pay and not have to do this one?
Hi, are you checking in with your avatar? How you doing tonight?
Thank you. Just a drink for you.
Thank you. Thank you much.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. I'm really surprised I didn't get any orders while I was over there. It's been very, very quiet. Hopefully it doesn't stay that way. Finally got the next order, and it's another bad one, but in a different way. This is Starbucks, $4 and change, going 2.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Two really, really bad orders to start the day, and I somehow did them quick enough to where I'm actually ahead of pace by like $1. Next up is a Seize the Bagel. This is $5, going 1.5 miles. Thank you. You too. That last order only took 4 minutes, according to my recording. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is $7, going 5 miles. Going back to McDonald's, this one is $8, going 3 miles.
DoorDash for Ron B.
Yeah. Thank you.
day.
You too. Next up is a 7-Eleven pickup. This is $5, going 2 miles. I think this might be alcohol. Hello. That is definitely alcohol. 8 tall cans to be exact. And then just a scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me.
Thanks.
You have a good day. You too. Next order up is a Burger King. This is $6, going 2 miles. Thank you.
Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Next up is a stack, 2 different restaurants, 2 different people. We've got Angels and Taco Bell, $11, going 6 miles.
Have a good day.
You too. Well, that kind of took forever. Had to wait for that guy to figure out what he was ordering and then figure out how he was going to pay, because I think I missed it, but he made 2 trips to his truck. This Taco Bell better be ready for me, otherwise this stack is not going to be worth it. Thank you. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Next up is a Panera. This is $6, going 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Next up is a Muchas Gracias. This is $6, going 1 mile. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up is a stacked Seize the Bagel. This is $12, going 5 miles.
When I first met her.
Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 going 4 miles, only one item. Next up is a Victor Rico's. This one is $8 going 5 miles. You too. Quick little pit stop before we drop this off. This is Donut Nook, $6 going an extra half mile. Okay. Got the next order as I was dropping off. This is Seize the Bagel, $8 going 2.5 miles. Really hoping this one's ready because it's about that time where it's busy. Yeah, there's like no parking here, so wish me luck. Yeah, that wait was crazy, but whatever. I already saw that this is on the 3rd floor and I'm not happy about it. All right, time to go home. Current time is 10:29. Current total is 99 and I'm waiting on a couple Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total when that comes in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.